first few deliveries.
Clipped away, timed properly enough to get 4.
That ends up on about off stump, yes, but it's too full, and that's why he's taking advantage of that. This time they decide to go first up with one.
Through the field in that cover region, it was struck firmly.
Too short. He's done well to just give himself a bit of room so that he can maneuver it through that cover area.
And again,
Overs over. Haven't been great deliveries. First one short.
in white ball cricket. Got stumped. Stumped beautiful.
Let me go up and over the top. Hasn't looked to force it.
Let the ball grip from the surface. That was short with pace on. And no protection in that deep fine leg position because the man is inside the 30-yard circle.
Played once again. He's just got inside the line of the ball. He knows 45's in the circle.
Short. In the air for a while and away from the fielder. That's another boundary. 57 without loss. Lofted shot.
Bit of extra momentum. With all the fielders on the offside in the circle.
The runs are coming in. They're keeping up with that run rate. Not a very good effort down there in the deep. Let's play that over, long on. That's a maximum. For a moment, I thought that might not go all the way.
The position he found himself in, it was a little bit done by a bit of pace, but he's still able to go, what, 70 metres.
I think that's taken the top edge of the bat. No, striker direct, yes, gone. It's got to be out. Johan is unhappy with Basit.
And always send him back. Yeah, there's a little bit of hesitation. He's not happy. Look, hands up in the air. Oh, it's a full toss. Put away. It's exactly how you feel as a cricketer, young cricketer. You want to prove yourself. You want to get out there. You want to have every opportunity you can, and that's how it made me feel. I was very lucky to play against some really good cricketers. Moeen Khan was captain of the...
Shot. Will be runs here. He's beaten backward point, and that's a boundary. This outfield is quick. There'll be a time when the fielding side realizes they're getting closer and closer.
Yeah, I think what's also been good is they've tried to get boundaries early on in the over, and that just takes a little bit of pressure off you as a side chasing. All of a sudden then you are reversing the pressure back onto the bowler.
Oh, that's a very good shot. That's deliberately played over that cover.
Shot because he gets inside the ball, doesn't he? Watch how he just gets inside it and then uses his hands to get it up and over extra cover. It's a clever shot. See some of the best players in the world playing that.
Up and over, in and out, and that's 4.
He knew exactly where the fielder was. It was deep in the square.
And he's playing with a bit of aggression, but this one...
And Mohammad Shan taking this big wicket of the captain Ubaid Shahid. He was not out in the last chase.
That's a beauty, a real beauty, out of nowhere.
Shahwez Irfan, he scored 18 not out in the last chase. Inside edge onto the stumps. And that's what we are talking about. 2 wickets in 1 over. And the match has totally turned.
Gone for the big shot. And gets hold of it.
That's the 6 again. It was short delivery and he can generate so much power from the back foot. Such an impressive find.
Powered. And goes all the way for 6.
Extremely impressive shot there by Farhan Yusuf. He has not batted yet in this tournament. The first time he comes out, couple of wickets down for the team in the last over. He comes out, plays this wonderful shot.
Slapped wide of long on and goes all the way for half a dozen.
Even if you get hit from the fuller length, it's okay, because Basit Ali, we have seen from 2 matches, is really good on the shot delivery.
There it is. They needed a wicket, a good piece of keeping again.
Yeah, it's the wicket keeping that sticks out for me here. Would have been partly unsighted, but he's done well. Moved down the leg side. He stayed low. And straight into the gloves. Whips off the bails in no time at all.
This is a beautiful looking shot.
It's been outstanding in his innings all the way throughout, Corky. Is what you've said. He hasn't tried to hit it too hard. He understands. Mid-off is up in the circle. If I just hit it well enough straight, I'm going to get myself a boundary.
Oh, does he get enough of this? I think he does. He times it beautifully and he'll fly it all the way. They needed an early boundary and they've got an early boundary, and it's a maximum.
This is a good shot. Again, hasn't looked to force it. The line was wrong, so was the length. He's just opened up that front leg to allow himself to access that deep mid-wicket boundary. Clears it comfortably.
A little bit of advice. I'm not sure he gets enough of this one. Maybe does. Yeah, he does. Back-to-back sixes.
Yeah, Shan's getting the lengths wrong here. And that's why he's going. He's allowing him to get under the ball. We're talking about Yorkers in that last over. Get the Yorkers in.
He's gone short. In the air. Should be out. Is out. Another great catch.
After he's been put away those first couple of deliveries. But yeah, you can see he's deliberately bowled that into the pitch. And this is a good catch. Always going away from him. And difficult to judge when that ball's going off your shoulder.
Oh, just cut it away for a boundary. In the air. Pressure, what pressure? Hit it out the park.
Eight runs required now.
Gets it through. 100.
Got himself to 100 in just 56 balls. And now just 3 runs away from victory for his team.
Oh, will be a victory given a no ball, but what a way to win. Look at the team coming in.